Hi, this is Ray with SGIA, and it's time for today's Tech Tip Tuesday. Hi, this is Ray with SGIA with today's Tech Tip. You're only going to see my hands on this one because we're focusing on cutting this vinyl, which is too long and too wide for our table, and I have a ruler that's too small for this job. That's okay. I can manage this. It's not a problem. What I want to do is I'll start on this side. I'm going to mark just under. I want to cut in 1 inch. And I'm going to mark these spots just slightly less than 1 inch because I'll cut just outside of them, which will give me a 1 inch cut, 1 inch edge. And I'm going to mark them here. And I like to mark enough so that I can always have my ruler lined up even when I move it. I feel like I've got a good area to work from. So I mark all my spots first. I don't need that any longer. I use my handy safety ruler because I want to be safe. Go just outside of the dots, just covering them up. Once I do that, I can just take my blade, cut right along it. I get to here. I can move it. My ruler's long enough to do this. I just cover up the dots. And I can tell because first off I don't hear the cut, then I do hear it. As I slice it all the way down, I now have created an edge. Oop, I got a little spot there. Once I do that, I pull that away. I would then flip it and I would measure from this edge because I've created a clean edge here. I would measure that side and I would have the piece that I want using this small ruler. Now obviously I could buy the correct size ruler, but this is all I had, and this actually happened to me recently where I had a ruler that wasn't quite long enough. I had to figure out a way to make sure I got a good clean cut. And that's today's tech tip.